Hey, Jason from xFanatical here. In this short video, I will demonstrate how to bulk add new users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Managing user accounts in Google Workspace can be a time-consuming task, especially when dealing with a large number of new users. However, with the help of xFanatical Foresight automation tool, this process can be streamlined and simplified. How to bulk add new users in Google Workspace using xFanatical Foresight automation tool. Here we need to create two rules to complete this task. Rule 1 shows the CSV with the new users, their email IDs, and other data. Rule 2. The second rule creates bulk user accounts simultaneously. To get the CSV template, execute Rule 1. Then update the template with the details of the new users you want to add, including their email IDs and other relevant information. Creation of Rule 1. Log into your Foresight account with your Google admin account. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the manual trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the List Users action. Then you need to specify the columns, such as organizational unit path, email aliases, and secondary work email. Leave the rest of the things as default. Click Review. Step 3. Give a rule name and click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click on the Upload icon to trigger the rule to download the CSV file. Verifying results. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select Show All. Access the Logs page from the left sidebar to discover logs of successful rule triggers. Click here to download the CSV file. Update this template with the new user's details. Let's start creating your second rule. Since we've created new accounts for 10 users here, note that in real scenarios, you can create accounts for up to 1,000 users. Creation of Rule 2. Go to the Rules page and click the New Rule button. Step 1. Select the Data Uploaded trigger from the Select a Trigger screen. Click on the Upload box and upload the downloaded CSV. Wait for the CSV to be parsed. In the Edit Trigger screen, leave all settings at their defaults. Click Next. Step 2. On the Select an Action screen, click the Generate Password action. Click Add Next Action. Step 3. Select the Create User action. Select the first name, last name, primary email, generate password, and organizational unit path. Step 4. Click Add Next Action and select the email actions. Select secondary work email in the To field. Provide a subject like New User Account Details in the Subject field. Compose an email body. Click on the V icon to insert variables such as first name, last name, email, generated password, email aliases, and organization unit path. Click Review to proceed. Step 5. Give a rule name. Click Create. Triggering of the rule. Click Upload icon and then upload the same CSV file again. The process will take a few seconds. Verification of the result. A notification will appear in the top right-hand corner. Click on it, then select Show All. Additionally, check the results by viewing your secondary work email inbox. This will allow you to verify the outcome of the process. It's simple and easy. If you have yet to install Foresight, apply for a 14 days trial. If you like our video, hit the thumbs up. Also, subscribe to our channel and press the notification bell icon to get notifications about the news, trends, and products that help you manage your business very well. To learn more, please visit xfanatical.com.